Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the tube status and departure boards on the TubeMap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this search bar at the top of the screen and search for a station that you are interested in. You can also select from these options, these recommendations organized into alphabetical order. And then you should tap on this first option down below, tube status and departure boards. Here you can see the station status. And if you tap on the second section, you will be able to see the departure boards. Here you can see the eastbound and westbound platforms. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.